Hello and welcome back, everyone. So today we'll be discussing what type of soil that lavender likes. Lavender is a plant that likes a free draining soil that's neutral to alkaline. If you don't have any of those, there are a few things you can do about it. And there's a few types of lavender that may make your life easier that I'll discuss here. So, how do you know if your soil is neutral or alkaline? Well, what you can do is go to your garden, take a few samples from your garden, and send it out to your local extension office. And it's free. Maybe it's a little bit of money, but you'll get the most accurate picture of what your soil is compared to all the test kits that are out there. Or you can do what I did and added a little bit of topsoil. It made a world of difference for this English lavender I have here. But if you don't want to do that at all, you have acidic soil that's prevalent here in the Northeast, like I have. Take a look at French lavender. French lavender doesn't mind a little bit more acidity compared to all the other lavenders out there. So it may be a solution for you and make your life that much easier. I also said that lavender likes a free draining soil. So if you notice your soil is holding a lot of moisture, maybe it's real clay, you can amend it with sand, amend it with grit, try to free up that soil and get that excess moisture out of there so your lavender's happy. But if not, you can look at two lavenders, lavender augustifolia and lavender latifolia. Give those two a try. Those are two lavenders that don't mind a little bit more moisture in the soil. So it's well worth it. It may save you some money to just try those two and save you some time. That's it, everyone. Lavender likes a neutral, the alkaline soil that's free draining. If you know you have a more acidic soil, go with a French lavender. If you have soil that's a little bit more moisture retentive, try lavender's augustifolia or latifolia. Thanks for joining me, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.